Hey guys, it's EJ the Puzzle Cuber, and today I'm going to be doing the 6th part of my CLL tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over the T cases, and we're going to be starting out with this case. So this is a pure corner twist, and here's the algorithm. For the second case, it's going to be the diag swap, and you can recognize it by these two being the same color, and then the opposites here and here, and these two are the same color, and these two are the same color. So here's the algorithm. For our third case, we have probably the easiest one here, and this is really just a simple Sexy-sledge, so it goes like this. Here is the mirror for it, and you recognize it the same way, and it goes like this. Now for this case, and here you could recognize it quite easily, there is the line here, and there is this line over here, and these two are opposites, and it goes like this. For our last algorithm, we have this case, which is also quite easy to recognize. We have these two opposite and this line over here, and then these two are also opposite, and the algorithm goes like this. So, thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you share it with your friends. I'll see you in my next video.